Hello and welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. We're going to see Eastport from the beginning of 2024 all the way to the end of 2024 and everything in between. February 2024. This is Eastport. If you remember, very little is built. Just a sales center. This is the softball field. You can see the outlines of the fields, and that is about it. And we're flying over here to the Village's Health. That's what caught my eye about this place, and that's how I learned about Eastport. This is April 2024. You can see Sunset Island, the man-made bridge they had across there to get all the equipment. This is Village Health again, and we're flying over just to see all the different aspects of how much it has grown in the last year. Here's where Hotel Eastport is supposed to be, and the entertainment center. As you can see, there's some progress on the Olympia Rec Center. May 2024. Here we are flying down Eastport Drive. You can see they got some of the commercial buildings that got built. You can see a little bit more on the Olympia Rec Center being built, and still no Hotel Eastport. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. Here's the sales center. They're working really hard and diligently on it to get it completed. I don't know, maybe the Citizens Bank won't be the first thing built in the square. June 2024, a real close look at Sunset Island. All the palm trees are planted, got them all braced up, and you can tell every time we go through that there's some growth on the palm trees. Village's Health, it's open now. Again, back down to Sunset Island. I plan to visit here quite a few times. When Sunset Island finally opens, I am going to visit quite often. The Village golf cars. The sales center, Eastport Drive. I really do like Sunset Island. Again, nothing's being built. Making progress on Olympia Rec Center. July 2024. This is when they said that Sunset Island was complete. It was in the papers that it was reported that Sunset Island was complete. And it looks just as complete today as it does back then. You can see it made progress here. And they're making progress on the softball field. They got the red clay in there. No sod in there yet. This is the ramp for the golf cars to park on top of the roof. Olympia Rec Center here. To me, it looks like a red barn from the Midwest. But they're going to have some really cool things at the Olympia Rec Center with the indoor rock climbing wall, indoor pickleball. I think it's really cool. They got the dragon boat dock being built. You can see how much the progress on the Olympia Rec Center here. August 2024. You can see they've gotten a lot of progress done in the last month, putting the roof on the Village golf cars. They've just started on Hotel Eastport. They're putting the footers in. October 2024. If you remember, that's when Hurricane Milton hit the Villages. We got a lot of wind, a A lot of rain, flooded a lot of places in the villages. Lake Sumter Landing got a lot of water. Also Central Lake got a lot of water. And you can see all the buildings lasted through the hurricane. I don't know if you can tell on Central Lake, but Central Lake has gotten a lot of water through here. You can see it's overflowing on the island. You can see that they just started making the railing back in October, even though back in July they reported that it was Sunset Island was complete, November 2024. I flew over to Sunset Island to get some sunsets, see what it'd be like. Pretty sunsets over the village here. Here we are having a nice sunset. This is the last month of December 2024. You got grass here in the softball fields. They're very nice. They got the concession stand. They got the dugouts. You can see the Olympia Rec Center. It's under roof. You can see the sales center's under roof. They've got a lot completed in this year, and I do believe, and you look at Hotel Eastport, and look how tall it is. I do believe in this next year, a lot will be completed in this year, 2025. Those golf cars, isn't that neat? The ramp, parking these new golf carts up top. You can see the water's gone down since the last hurricane, and they put the railing around through there so nobody will fall into the water. And I really do like Sunset Island. I think that's really cool. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe so you can see other videos on Eastport. I do videos on Eastport about once a month. This is the dog park. Take a look at all the buildings they got down through here. Isn't that neat? That is Eastport Entertainment Square right there.